Synthesys AI Studio Review. Hey guys, this is Shan from InCareAcademy.com and welcome to my Synthesys AI Studio Review. So in a nutshell, Synthesys AI Studio is a brand new 3-in-1 cloud-based software that can actually go ahead and produce ultra-realistic, human-sounding, natural voiceovers for you in different languages, which you can use in anywhere you want to. Now, it has also got you covered with the AI humans text to video, wherein you can use these avatars, that is human-looking avatars, to create videos for you. Now, it has perfect lip sync technology as well, and you can use these same AI voices within this AI humans to produce human sounding voiceovers with human looking avatars to give you a wow effect in your videos. That means you no longer need to record your face or your audio to create a video. So that's an awesome thing to have. And last but not the least, it has this option to create AI images. You can create AI images with the prompt. You can also remove a background from your images or videos, or you can even remove AI objects. Now, talking about the Synthesys Studio app itself, it's on the market for more than 3 years. It's a product from Todd Gross and Oliver Godwin, and it has been in the market for over 3 years, and it has been continuously updated and upgraded. And now it has come up with a brand new version called Synthesys AI Studio. So if all of that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of the Synthesys AI Studio review, because as you can see over here, I have got access to Synthesys AI Studio, and I'm going to give you a full-blown demo of Synthesys AI Studio as well. But before going that far, I just wanted to let you know that I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses for the Synthesys AI Studio review. Now, if you want to check them out anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page that should look like this. And in here, you can scroll down to find any and every info on Synthesys AI Studio, right? Like you can find the number of voices that you are going to get, the number of languages that are covered, right? The number of voice minutes that you are going to get. All of these is covered in my bonus page. So if you want to go through that, you can go through it at your own time. With that being said, if you further scroll down, you are going to find my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are insane, right? You are going to get VSL Maker Pro, which can help you in creating VSLs. Then I'm going to give you Ads Maker Pro that can help you in creating ads and social media creatives. I'm going to give you Google Ads Pro, Microsoft Bing Ads Pro. I'm going to give you coupons. I'm going to give you done for you motivational reel bundle with over 1200 plus AI reels in business niche with PLR and reseller rights as well. I'm also going to give you a ton of other softwares, which include video marketing software, ranking software, social media marketing softwares. I'm giving you agency softwares, funnel builder software, membership site building software. I'm giving you 100 softwares with reseller rights as well. And there are a ton of other bonuses on my bonus page. So you can just come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. With that being said, there's going to be another section on my bonus page, which is going to be the updated section. And in here, you are going to get some additional bonuses when you upgrade with our recommended upgrade or the bundle deal of Synthesys AI Studio. With that being said, all of these softwares are premium softwares. Like you can get the AI Prompt Box Pro, from where you can design prompts. You can have Voice Reel, which is a voiceover software. You can have studio videos. You can have VidMaker Pro, which can create those 60-second viral videos. Then you are going to get a premium Bonus Maker Pro. You are going to get a course reseller bundle. You are also going to get software reseller bundle and whatnot. There are a ton of bonuses on my bonus package. So again, I do request you to please go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. With that being said, now it's time for a Synthesys AI Studio demo. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that Synthesys AI Studio has. And I'll be also discussing and revealing you the bundle deal along with a special coupon code that can help you to save a ton of money. With that being said, again, if all of that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Synthesys AI Studio review. Hey, welcome to the Synthesys AI Studio demo, and I'll be taking turn by turn demo. That is, there are 3 things, so I'll go one by one. So the first thing is AI voices. So if I click on that, it gives me all the voices over here, right? I can just go ahead and click on explore, and this gives me all the voice actors that we have on this left hand side over here, right? And on this right hand side over here, I can write the script, right? And we can do certain other things over here. So first of all, I want you to know how exactly you can filter out the different voices that are available. So for that, we'll just head over to this filter over here where it says search voice actors. Just click on that. And in here, you can first of all choose the language that you want to, right? So for me, it's English. So let me find it. So here you go, English United States, right? So if we click on that, it will actually fetch the voices that have the English US accent, right? So in here you can find them, right? So that's the first part of the filtration. Now, secondly, we can filter it on the basis of gender. That is, if we want a male voice or a female voice. So let's go for male. And then you can also filter out the age of the guy with the voiceover, right? If it's middle-aged, you can do that. Elder, youth, you can do everything, right? I'm not going into that. Then you can have the voice emotions, which are a great thing to have. You can see there are so many emotions that you can put into your voice. So you can just select any one of them if you have that choice. I currently don't have any such choices, so I'm not going into that. Then you can go for content. That is what kind of content you are trying to create. It can be educational or tutorial, narration, commercial, sports and games, audiobooks, news, marketing, reviews, and radio or podcast, right? So all of these kind of voices, you have a perfect voice for that, right? So that's the great thing to have. Then the thing that I most value is the voice type. You just need to click on this, and then in here you have two kind of things. One is premium and the other is ultra lifelike. So I'll go for ultra lifelike. And in here, you can see there are many voices that are available. So if we take a preview of those voices, let me just put my headphone on so that I can take a preview along with you.
Unfortunately, we cannot postpone the launch because we are already behind schedule.
Quite impressive, right? Now, again, this one.
Unfortunately, we cannot postpone the launch because we are already behind schedule.
So you can see there are different emotions in those voices, right?
It's without a doubt the most important revolution in the future of human communication and perception.
So that can be very good in storytelling.
Welcome to Boracay. One of the most beautiful beaches in the world can be found.
So you can see these are more realistic, right? I haven't heard this kind of realistic voices in any voiceover tool. So you can just play this.
Unfortunately, we cannot postpone the launch because we are already
quite impressed, right? So we can just do add over here. And that actually adds our voice actor, as you can see over here. Now, all that we need to do here is to provide it with a script. So as you can see, I can write something like, hello guys, this is Shayan from Inca Academy, and this is a revolutionary software in terms of ultra realistic voiceovers, and I'm really liking the quality of this software, right? So now we can go ahead and add paragraphs to it as well. So if I click on add paragraph, you can see I have the choice of selecting another voice actor. So this time we will go ahead and choose another voice actor. So let this one be a female voice actor, just for an example. So let us choose this over here and click on add. And now if we can just add this actor over here, now you can see over here. So this can be used for a dialect kind of thing. If you want a dialogue kind of thing, you can do that as well with this. So that's quite cool. So I can write something like, nice to hear this, Shayan, and then I can add a pause. So for that, I'll hit on enter and it adds the pause, right? So I can actually kind of write this, right? And then once this is done, I can go ahead and keep adding paragraphs. That's up to me. But what I need to do after this is done is that I just need to save the project. And once that is done, I just need to take a preview. So I can just click on play. And as you can see, these are all loading. So let's wait until the thing is processed. So if I now play this, just look at the quality.
Hello guys, this is Sayan from Inca Academy. This is a revolutionary software in terms of ultra-realistic voiceovers. I am liking the quality of this software.
Nice to hear this, Saya. I can't wait to visualize this.
So you can see it had a kind of emotion, just like a normal person would read out. Like it puts emphasis on the words, it puts emotions on the words, it makes it more ultra realistic and more natural sounding, right? And then once you are happy with it, you can just click on download, and you can either download by sentences or you can download the entire thing at once as well by selecting this integrated option. And then you just need to click on download and boom, it would be downloaded onto your laptop, right? So that's how cool it is. Now, as you can see, it has been downloaded over here. So now if I go ahead and play this.
Hello guys, this is Sayan from Inca Academy. This is a
quite cool, right? So that was the first part that I wanted to show you now. So let's go back. And this time, let me show you the AI humans. So for that, click on that. And again, this time we will go over to explore again. Now, this kind of gives you the template. Now, if you have a template, say, for example, you are doing some product reviews or something like that, you can prepare a template with Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can just import that PDF over here, right? You can see over here. So that can be done. But I'm doing it using a default blank template. So just click on add. And in here on the left-hand side, you can find all the humans, right? All the humators to be perfect, right? And in here, you can click on this filter. You can choose a gender, say, for example, male. Now, in here, you can see there is a filter on age as well. You can get the youth, the middle-aged, the elders ones as well. That's up to you. But for this example, let us choose any one of these. So, for example, this guy over here and click on add. So as you can see, this guy has been added, right? Now what you can do is that you can do different things over here. On this left hand side, you can go ahead and add different things. Like say, for example, you want to add a background, you can just click on that. And in here, there is a set of backgrounds which you can add. There's a video background as well, from where you can add videos to your background. Maybe you are doing a video on weight loss tips. So you can actually search for weight loss videos and have this on your background as well. Or you can custom upload your own background. If you have a studio kind of thing, you can do that as well. Like I have this studio which I use regularly, so I have uploaded that on a background, right? Now I can go ahead and add text as well. I can just click on add and you can see it adds over here. Now I can go ahead and actually format this. I can add any colors to it, any color that I want to, right, to make it stand out. I can change the fonts of it. I can change the writings over here. Anything is doable. So I've quickly changed it to NCAR Academy just for an example. Then the text option, I can make it bold. I can change the font size as well. I can change the fonts as well. Everything is doable, right? So that's how cool it is. You can go ahead and add different shapes to it as well. You can add frames to it. You can add icons to it, so you are not limited in any ways. You can go ahead and add different soundtracks to it as well as a background music if you want to. You can even upload your own. You can also go ahead and add transitions. That is, if you have more than one slide, there is an option to do that. On the front end, you are going to get 6 slides, and then there is an upgrade in where you can get 12 slides. So that's quite cool. Now it doesn't stop here. You can go ahead and actually add your media to it as well. And in terms of the aspect ratio, you can create mobile responsive video as well, which makes it more kind of mobile kind of thing. So you can place your guy over here. You can do the mobile ones as well. You are not restricted. With that being said, you can also do a thing called face swap. What you can do is that you have added this avatar. Now you want it to look like someone else. What you can do is that you can go ahead and face swap it with any of these faces, right? I have an example where I had actually face swapped one of the female avatars within Synthesys AI Studio with Deepika's face, and the result was quite amazing. I'll show you, don't worry. With that being said, that is one of the options that you have, and in here you can just make it position wherever you want to. You can drag it to make it larger or smaller. That's up to you as well. So the opportunities are actually endless, right? Now with that being said, in here we need to add the voice. So for that, we can add the script over here, right? So in here, let me paste the script that I have, right? And in here I can select the voice. So I can just click on change voice actor. So here I kind of like this voice, right? So we can just go ahead, select this and click on add. And as you can see, it has been added over here. You can also go ahead and upload a voiceover that we have already created using the voice, right? And in here, we have an option to translate it as well. If you want to translate it, you can do that. If you want to maybe increase or decrease the speed, you can do that. If you want to actually go ahead and change the pitch of it, you can do that. If you want to add a pause, you can do that as well. So all of that is doable, right? And I've already shown you how to actually play around with all of these elements, right? So once that is done, all that we need to do is click on the start of things and click on play script. So if we play the script now,
Synthesys AI Studio is an awesome 3-in-1 AI apps bundle. It lets you create real human-sounding AI voiceover, real human-looking talking AI human avatar videos, and awesome AI images from any prompt.
so that's quite cool, right? Now you could go ahead and actually add any text over here. You can see the text limit for each slide is around 2000. So that's a great thing to have. With that being said, once one slide is complete, you can just go ahead and add another slide just like this. And in here, you can add a totally different humatar as well. So for that, we'll just go over to humatars over here. And in here, we can add anyone that we wish to, right? We can change the voiceover from male to a female as well. And that can really create some awesome things. In the middle, we can just go ahead and add transitions as well. So that kind of gives you a more realistic effect. So let us actually transform this into a female voiceover, right? So let's choose this one for an example and click on add. And as you can see, it has been added over here. Now we can add our script over here as well. We can write something like simple things, right? Let's see it in action, right? And then we can play the script.
Let's see it in action.
Right? And then we just need to save this. So now both of our slides have been saved and have been done, right? So now what we can do is that we can just click on create video. We can choose the resolution from over here, right? And give it a name, say demo, and just click on create. And as you can see, it has started creating it and it's quite fast. As you can see, it happening in real time over here. But I just wanted to show you the kind of video that it can produce. So if I go over here, this video has been already created. So I can just click on this download and it would be downloaded for me. So let it be downloaded. And by the way, I just wanted to let you know this is a face swap video. As you can see over here, the humatar's face right now, right? And let us see what the end result is. So I had face swapped it with Deepika's face, and now if we play
Hello
this,
guys, welcome to my channel. I am Deepika, and in this video, I will reveal a secret tool using which I have created this.
So you can see how cool this is. This is the background and there is the face swap. So all of that happens in a seamless way, right? So that's a kind of thing that you can expect. Now, without face swap also, I have one of the videos. So let me show you that as well. If we go over here, you can see it has been already created and downloaded. So I will just click on download.
Hello and welcome to my Synthesys AI Studio review. The most realistic AI human voices.
So you can see the quality of it, right? So the emotions of it, the hand gestures, nobody can tell in a blink of an eye that this is a human and not a real human, right? So that's the quality that they have done, right? So with that being said, that was it about the second tool that it has, which is the AI humans. Now it's time for the third tool, which is the AI images. And in here, you can start with the prompt. So let's click on explore. And this actually gives us a place to write the prompt over here, right? Or you can upload your picture over here and it would actually reimagine it, right? So that's a kind of thing that you can do. With that being said, the best way to write prompts for you is that you can just head over to ChatGPT and you can give it an instruction like write me a prompt to generate an image using AI, and then you can describe the image like I have given it about an obese person who is frustrated due to overweight and seems broken. So this is the prompt that it has generated. Right now we can just go back to Synthesys AI Studio and we can input this over here and hit on visualize. And there you can see it has created some of it, right? If you are liking this, you can continue with this, or you can go ahead and find, actually I like this photo because it has a more kind of thing like this is the guy and this is what he imagines to be, right? So that's quite cool. You can go ahead and click on these three dots and click on create variation. So what it will do is that it will take that picture and create a variation of that as well. So that's quite cool as well. Now with that being said, you can actually transform all of these into a horizontal or vertical image as well. You can change the resolution as well. You can have the different artist style as well, right? You can also go ahead and have different type of illustration. Say for example, you want a digital painting or maybe a doodle sketch, you can do that as well. You can have the art style as well. All of that you can determine, right? So with that being said, it brings me to an end of the Synthesys AI Studio demo, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, if you really want to pick up Synthesys AI Studio, then why not via my link, because I'm going to provide you some awesome bonuses which you can find nowhere else. With that being said, you can feel free to check out what the other people are offering, because I'm 100% sure that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. With that being said, if you want to pick this up via my link, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can check out for the quality and quantity of my bonuses. And once you are happy with it, you can click on any of these red buttons, which would take you over to the Synthesys AI Studio sales page. That should look like this. And in here, you can go through this page at your own time. Everything about the product is written over here. And once you like what you are seeing, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to Synthesys AI Studio, along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. You just need to click on this blue button over here and you can access all of my bonuses. With that being said, if you find any difficulties in accessing them, you can reach out to me on this WhatsApp number that you can see below. With that being said, now it's time for the pricing that Synthesys AI Studio has. The front end is going to be priced at $47 for the early birds, but it's going to go up to $67 one-time price. It's on a dime sale. That means the quicker you are going to get it at a better price, right? Now, on the front end, there is going to be some limitations. That is, you are going to get 30 minutes per month on the voice. You are also going to get 30 minutes per month on the video. Also, you are going to get 10 humatars. The next one that they have is the audio one, which is $37 a month, which is the creator suite. That gives you more voice settings, multi-voice functionality. That is the number of dialogues that I shown, right? It gives you commercial license. It gives you all upcoming voices and everything, right? But this is going to be a monthly upgrade. The next one that they have is the Synthesys Premium, which is a $97 one-time price tool. And in this, you are going to get the emotional text as well. That is, you can add those emotions to your text. You can also get different AI human tools like adding the background and all of those stuffs, right? Now, with that being said, all of these are quite good upgrades to have. The next one that they have is the Apex version, and it should cost you $497 annually. But this is everything unlimited, right? Now, if this is something that you want, if you want everything to become unlimited, if you want to have every voices, every humatar, every language in your box, then what you need to do is just scroll all the way down on my bonus page. Then you are going to find a bundle deal over here, as you can see. And this bundle deal actually contains all of it, including this Apex upgrade. And the best part is that, you don't need to pay $497 a year. All that you can do is just scroll all the way down on my bonus page and click on any of these buttons, which are the bundle deal buttons. That will take you to the bundle deal sales page over here. which should look like this. And in here, you are going to get everything that is on the upgrades, right? That is the front end, then the first upgrade, the second upgrade, and the third upgrade, all of that for only $247 a year. Now, it doesn't stop here. You are going to get a few more things, like you are going to get a seated humatar so that you can create those in-office kind of presentation. You can create face swap on humatars to create unlimited faces, and you can overlay your humatars on website to kind of produce that chatbot, that human chatbot kind of thing. So that's quite amazing stuff to have, right? Now, with that being said, you are also going to have the ability to change the humatar's hair and clothing as well. So all of that is included in this bundle deal. With that being said, I would definitely recommend you to get inside of the bundle deal because it's way below the pricing that it should be. $247 a year is a great pricing to have, but it is on a dime sale again, and it's going to go up to $497 a year. So the quicker you are, again, the better pricing you are going to get. And alongside that, you are going to get all of my bonuses as well, which makes it an absolute no-brainer to have. Again, to pick out the bundle deal, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, and on my bonus page, just scroll all the way down until you find these buttons which read Synthesys AI Studio Max bundle deal. Click on that, head over to the bundle page, and from here you can get instant access to the bundle. With that being said, if you are really short on budget, and if you are really happy with using it only for 30 minutes a month, then pick up the front end as well, because this kind of tool is a game changer. You can actually dominate YouTube, you can dominate review space, you can dominate your video marketing, you can actually sell these videos for your client and do whatever you want to. You can even produce human sounding voiceovers with it. So a simple only voiceover tool is going to cost you more than what it is charging you for. So according to me, it's an absolute no-brainer to have. Now the choice is yours. Either go for the bundle deal, which is my recommended one to have, or if you're really short on the budget, then you can pick up the front end as well. So with that being said, it brings me to an end of this Synthesys AI Studio review. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Synthesys AI Studio review. Now we are going to meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shan from Inca Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.